Hello everyone! Today, I would like to introduce to you the KCL Bar 35 Vertical Wheel Repair Lathe, independently developed by Taian HAISHU. This is a special one for repairing 35-inch car wheels. Help you efficiently repair aluminum alloy wheels, enhance finish and accuracy. We independently developed the Wheel Hub Special Repair System. Supports 3 detection methods, supported languages and logos, the customization function. Let the equipment better meet your needs. One click to the knife, one-click output program. Numerical control program can be saved and called at any time. The operation is simple and efficient. Handheld hand wheels are easy to operate at close range. Humanized design is more efficient. Adopting a double column design, the structure is rigid. Maximum repair size is 35 inches. The X and Z axes are equipped with 4-volt motors. Move fast, machining, precision. 3 axes using linear guides to ensure high accuracy and finish. Perfect for aluminum alloy wheel repair. The main motor can be selected from 4 or 4-volt types. The tool holder is available manually or electrically. Flexibly adapt to different scenarios. Special wheels, furniture, armor, convenient and reliable. 4-claw or 6-claw spare parts are available. Chuck claws can also be customized according to your requirements. The pneumatic lift door frees your hands. Add security door. Open the door and stop during processing. More secure. Laser detection is fast and safe. It only takes 10 seconds to complete. The processing effect is perfect, bright as new. As a true manufacturer, we accept a variety of customized services. Voltage, language, logo, and shape functions can all be customized. We also provide efficient and high-quality after-sales services. Make sure your equipment can be used efficiently for a long time